In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Teams, enhancing your project management and team communication in just a few steps. This handy guide is perfect for teams looking to streamline their workflows and ensure everyone stays on the same page. Let's start by navigating to the Monday.com homepage. It's where all your projects live, and it's the jumping off point for this integration process. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. You'll find that Monday.com "S" interface is quite intuitive. Next, locate your profile icon at the top right of the page. This little icon is your gateway to customizing your Monday.com experience and accessing a multitude of features. Clicking on it will reveal several options, but the one we're interested in today is automations. This feature is a game changer for automating repetitive tasks and setting up integrations, such as the one we're discussing today. After you've clicked on automations, your next step is to find and select integrations. It's here that Monday.com really shines, offering a plethora of integration options with other tools and platforms, making your workflow as smooth as peanut butter. And among these options is the one we're focusing on, Microsoft Teams. Clicking on this will bring you closer to achieving that sweet synergy between your project management and team communication platforms. Once you've selected Microsoft Teams, you'll be presented with various template options for your integration. These templates are designed to cater to different needs and scenarios, simplifying the integration process. Take your time to review these options and select the one that best fits your team's workflow. Each template has its features and benefits, so choosing the right one can significantly impact how effectively your team collaborates. After selecting your desired template, the next step is to click on Use Template. This action will prompt you to select a board from your Monday.com account. Boards are where your projects live and breathe, and connecting the right one is crucial for a successful integration. If you're unsure about which board to choose, consider the project or team that will benefit most from this integration with Microsoft Teams. Now, with your board selected, the final step is to connect your Microsoft Teams account. This connection is what bridges the gap between Monday.com and Teams, allowing for seamless communication and collaboration. Follow the prompts to log into your Microsoft Teams account and grant the necessary permissions. It's a simple process, but it's the linchpin that ensures your integration works flawlessly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Monday.com with Microsoft Teams. This integration is a powerful way to maximize productivity and keep everyone in the loop. With your projects and communication now tightly interwoven, you can expect smoother workflows, fewer misunderstandings, and a more cohesive team environment. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips to get the most out of your new integration. Explore the features and settings within your chosen template to fine-tune the integration to your team's needs. Encourage your team members to familiarize themselves with how the integration works, ensuring everyone can leverage its full potential. Monitor the integration's impact on your team's productivity and make adjustments as necessary. The goal is to streamline your processes, not complicate them. Integrating Monday.com with Microsoft Teams is just the beginning. Both platforms offer a wealth of features and possibilities, so continue exploring and experimenting to find the perfect setup for your team. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. With your new integration setup, you're well on your way to more efficient project management and team collaboration. Happy planning and communicating.